Building a Profitable Blog from Scratch, a Step-by-Step Guide. Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Building a profitable blog from scratch is an exciting endeavor that can provide you with the opportunity to share your passion, connect with like-minded individuals, and generate income. While it requires dedication and hard work, with the right strategy and execution, you can create a successful and profitable blog. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of building a profitable blog from scratch. 1. Choose your niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and target audience. Focus on a specific topic to establish yourself as an authority and cater to a well-defined audience. 2. Define your blog's purpose and goals. Clarify your blog's purpose and set measurable goals. Determine whether your primary goal is to provide information, entertain, or sell products, services. Define the specific outcomes you want to achieve, such as increasing traffic, building an email list, or generating revenue. 3. Set up your blog. Choose a reliable blogging platform such as WordPress, and register a domain name that reflects your blog's niche and brand. Set up hosting and customize the design to create a visually appealing and user-friendly blog. 4. Create quality content. Produce valuable, engaging, and well-researched content that resonates with your target audience. Craft blog posts, articles, videos, or podcasts that provide solutions, answer questions, or entertain your readers. Consistency is key, so aim to publish new content regularly. 5. Drive traffic to your blog. Implement effective strategies to attract visitors to your blog. Utilize search engine optimization, SEO, techniques, social media marketing, guest blogging, email marketing, and collaborations with influencers to drive targeted traffic to your blog. 6. Build an engaged community. Encourage reader engagement by responding to comments, fostering discussions, and creating a sense of community. Encourage social sharing and implement features such as email subscriptions and social media follow buttons to build a loyal audience. 7. Monetize your blog. Explore various monetization methods to generate income from your blog. These may include: A. Displaying advertisements. Join ad networks like Google AdSense or work with direct advertisers to display relevant ads on your blog. B. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links and earn a commission on each sale or referral. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored posts or reviews. D. Digital products. Create and sell e-books, online courses, or digital downloads related to your niche. E. Consulting or freelancing. Offer your expertise and services to your blog's audience. 8. Track and analyze your performance. Use web analytics tools to track and analyze your blog's performance. Monitor your traffic, engagement metrics, conversion rates, and revenue. Identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategies accordingly. 9. Network and collaborate. Connect with other bloggers, influencers, and industry experts in your niche. Engage in guest blogging, collaborations, and cross-promotion opportunities to expand your reach and grow your audience. 10. Stay consistent and evolve. Consistency is crucial for long-term success. Continue creating valuable content, nurturing your community, and exploring new monetization opportunities. Stay updated with industry trends, adapt to changes, and evolve your blog to meet the needs and interests of your audience. Building a profitable blog from scratch requires time, effort, and strategic planning. By following these steps and staying dedicated to providing value to your audience, you can create a successful blog that generates income and fulfills your goals. Embrace the journey, be patient, and continuously learn and adapt to make your blog a thriving and profitable venture. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel, hit the like button and press bell icon.